Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will talk about a symphony of climax and pleasure. I will unveil the clitoris. In the intricate tapestry of human sexuality, there exists a symphony, an organ designed solely for pleasure. The clitoris has only one function, is your sexual pleasure. It's a structure that transcends its modest appearance, hiding beneath the surface, waiting to be fully understood. So, welcome to an intimate journey into the clitoris, a story of anatomy, of science, and wonder. For centuries, the clitoris has been overlooked, misunderstood, or misrepresented. But today, using modern science and advanced imaging, I will unveil its secrets. This session is a celebration of one of the most remarkable aspects of human anatomy, exploring its three-dimensional structure, its microscopic intricacies, and the biomechanics that drives its symphony of sensation. We'll start by the clitoris landscape. The clitoris, often described as the epicenter of female pleasure, it's far more than what meets the eyes. What many recognize as a small external structure is in fact a complex. It's a complex organ, deeply embedded within the pelvis. The visible tip or glans is just the beginning. Beneath it lies the body of the clitoris, the internal crura, delicate wings that extends along the pelvic bones, and the bulbous tissue that encircle the vaginal opening. Together, these structures form the clitoral complex, an intricate network finely tuned to deliver pleasure. Each part plays a role in the symphony of sensation, from the densely packed nerve endings in the glands to the cavernous tissue that responds to arousal. The clitoris is not an isolated structure, but a vital component of the broader sexual response system, integrating physical, emotional, and neurological elements. Its anatomy in three dimensions. We'll be discussing the advanced imaging techniques and our understanding of the clitoris, which has evolved dramatically. It's no longer confined to a two-dimensional view. We now see it is a three-dimensional marvel. The clitoral roots, or crura, extends like wings deep into the pelvic region, anchoring the clitoris to the pelvic bone. These structures are rich in nerve endings and blood vessels, forming a complex network that supports its function. The clitoral body, hidden beneath the labia, serves as the central shaft connecting the glands to the internal structures. Meanwhile, the bulbs of the clitoris, located on either side of the vaginal opening, swell with blood during arousal, enhancing sensitivity and responsiveness. So this three-dimensional understanding not only reshapes how we view the clitoris, but also highlights its central role in female sexual response. If we dig deeper into the histology, we truly appreciate that the clitoris, and we must venture into its microscopic world. The histology of this organ reveals a landscape engineered for sensation. The glands, the visible tip, contain an extraordinary density of sensory nerves, approximately 8,000 nerve endings, more than any other part of the human body. This neuron transmits signals of pleasure to the brain, and it's orchestrating the sensory experience of arousal. Beneath the surface, there is the erectile tissues, the cavernous bodies, and the spongy tissue. This engorges with blood during arousal, increasing the size and sensitivity of the clitoral complex. This mechanism mirrors exactly the erectile process of the male penis, underscoring the shared evolutionary pathway of sexual arousal. So together the nerves, blood vessels, and tissues create this unique system designed to respond to stimulation, translating the physical touch into profound pleasure. There's also biomechanical pleasure involved in the process. The clitoris operates as biomechanical marvel. During arousal, blood flow increases dramatically, filling the erectile tissues and causing the clitoral complex to swell. This engorgement heightens sensitivity, amplifying the tactile experience. Simultaneously, nerve signals travel from the clitoris to the brain via the pudendal nerve, activating regions that are responsible for pleasure and emotional connection. This feedback loop creates a crescendo of sensation culminating in your orgasm. It's a release of tension and a flood of neurochemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. Understanding these biochemicals and biomechanics allows us to appreciate the sophistication of the clitoris, not just as an organ, but as a conductor of the symphony of your sexual response. The clitoral complex and your pleasure. The clitoris does not function in isolation. It's part of a larger network known as the clitoral complex, which include the distal vagina, the urethral sponge, and all the surrounding pelvic tissues. The distal vagina, overlooked, plays a complementary role in enhancing arousal. When stimulated, it activates the bulbs of the clitoris and all the surrounding erectile tissues, which all contribute to this orchestration of your climax. The pelvic floor muscles supports the clitoral complex and also plays a pivotal role. During arousal and orgasms, these muscles contract rhythmically, intensifying the sensory experience. This interconnectedness underscores the importance of viewing female pleasure as a holistic system, where physical, neurological, and emotional elements all work in harmony. So I call it the symphony of sensation. And in this final movement of this journey, we celebrate the clitoris as a testament to the intricacy of human sexuality. In three-dimensional structure, microscopic precision, and biochemical brilliance remind us the extraordinary potential for pleasure hidden within the female body. Understanding clitoris is not just about science. It's about empowerment. By unveiling its secrets, we open the door to greater intimacy, self-awareness, and connection. So let's be an invitation to explore, celebrate, and honor the symphony of sensation that resides within us. The clitoris, in all its complexity, it is not just an organ. It's an expression of joy, vitality, and the boundless capacity for pleasure. Thank you again for joining us on this exploration of the clitoris. To continue your journey, access our downloadable resources or sign up for our next session on the expanded dimensions of female pleasure. Let's continue to celebrate the beauty of discovery, connection, and the profound wonder of human sexuality. Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Mike Shinuda from Sydney, Australia, and I am thrilled to introduce you to my book, Unleash the Mysteries of Female Orgasms. This book is more than just a guide. It's a recipe for unlocking the profound depths of female pleasure and sexual wellness. I have dedicated my career to empowering individuals and couples to rediscover intimacy and confidence. So whether you're looking to enrich your relationship, overcome challenges, or simply understand yourself better, this book is your guide. So what are you waiting for? It's available on my website and major retailers. Let's transform the conversation around intimacy together.